What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to bend this up and then out towards the left. Let's line at the bottom over on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go up and then bend that out towards the same height. Now I want to round up the edge of the eye and then pull that back in towards a point along the inside. Inside the eyes, we're going to draw two square pupils, but we're going to push this towards the inside. So we're going to start on the top, just going to round out the edge, pull that down towards the bottom, do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now let's bend this down and then in towards the inside of the eyes. Let's go up to the top, we're going to draw two curves, coming around and then up for a highlight. And then we'll switch to our thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes, going around that highlight. Now with the eyes complete, let's move down and draw the bottom edge of the head. We're going to start on the bottom left side, put this down, across the middle, then up towards the right. Now along the inside, we're going to draw two small curves for the nostrils. Let's go back to the outside. On the left, we're going to step down, curve this out, and back in. It's almost like drawing an oval. Let's go back to the left side, bend this up, and in around the eyes. And I'll draw a larger bump. We're going to step down, bend this out, and then bend this back in towards the side of the head. Let's add another curve, going up along the top of the head and then in. Now leave a gap, step over, draw the top of the head, going up, across, and then down. Let's draw those two large horns along the top. On the left side, we're going to step down, start by bending this out, and then in towards the top. Let's go over towards the right. We're just going to mirror this around, and then up towards the same height. Let's round out the tip of the horn, come down, and then out on top of the head. There's two smaller horns pointing in along the top. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, and then down, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's add a series of bumps coming down the center. Starting from the top, go around, and then down. Just gonna add a couple more. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that large collar around the neck. We're gonna start on the left side with a straight line coming down. Same thing on the right, and then round out the bottom. Just following the curve of the head, going all the way across. Now, from these two bottom corners, we're going to draw the body. We're going to come down, go across the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the right side. Let's add a strap along the side. Stepping in, bend this around, and then down towards the bottom of the body. Let's add one more strap going across, starting on the left, bend this down and up, step up, and draw that again. Now going back up to the top of the strap, let's draw the front arms. We're going to go around and then in towards the bottom. Just round out the bottom of the legs and then pull that up on the inside. Just bend this up and then out underneath the body. Let's add three small toes along the bottom. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up and then down with a half circle. Leave a gap and draw that two more times, and then do the same thing on the right side. Now we see the edge of the hind legs in behind. Let's start from the side, then it's out and then down. Round out the foot and then pull that in towards the side. Now let's add 2 small wings along the side, starting from the base of the collar, bend this out and then up, round up the wing, and then come down along the side. Now I want to add a thick ridge, so from the point, going up and in, and come back in toward the side of the body. From this point along the top, we're going to add 2 curves, one coming down and out, one coming down and in. Now we want to connect each point with a curve, going up and then down, working our way in towards the side of the body. Let's add the tail coming over on the left side. So we're going to start from the side of the leg, bend this out and then up, and then taper that back in towards the side of the leg. Let's draw the bottom half of the tail. From this point, coming down, go out, and then bend this back in. And we'll draw the top half, starting from the point, coming down and in, go up and then out, and then back down. Now I want to go back and add a little bit of texture across the horns and the legs. Let's start on the top left. Just going to draw a circle. Let's add a few more, just varying the size coming up. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then across the outside of the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. If you'd like to get early access to Sketch Saturdays or get invitations to our free artist workshops, join our VIP mailing list. I'll leave the link in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.